festival, and indeed during most of our festivals on holidays, the Kenyan beaches along the coast and Lakes Victoria and Naivasha receive unprecedented numbers of citizens who take part in recreational activities which include swimming, diving, boat excursions and boat races. We urge our boat owners and operators to comply with maritime safety regulations and other legislation to ensure public safety.
That those who engage in boat activities must wear life jackets. That is the bare minimum. 2, you've asked a question as to what time beach activities can happen. The time is between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. in the evening. Whatever activities that might want to happen or occur at night, you must seek authorization from the beach management unit. However, you must understand that no alcohol is allowed at the beach whatsoever.
Yeah, I went to sure that the place will be well covered. Enough patrols will be taking place, both on water and on foot. Independent is well, and our offices will be open.
We are here to provide mental health sessions. We'll be here to provide first aid support. We are here to do we'll be having some ambulance on standby just in case there's any eventuality that we'll need to do evacuation.
Sasa hii kwa vile ni tofauti na msimu ule wa kitambo wa corona. Sasa hii tunatarajia watu wengi na tunawakaribisha wote.
Kuna biriani, kuna pilau, kuna shawalma, samaki wa kupakwa, karango, kila aina ya chakula utapata Mombasa utakapokuja. Karibuni sana.